Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno11 F, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and volume down at the same time. Now before you do so, you will want to open up obviously the content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so make sure that whatever you do want to capture is visible right now on your screen. Once that's the case, hold the volume button, volume down and power button at the same time. You'll have this pop-up of settle vibration with scroll and share option on the pop-up, and after a moment it disappears, as you can see. Once it does so, you can find your captured screenshot in your Photos application, and it's going to be visible under Photos as the newest one, or under Albums, Screenshots, and also if you just captured it, it should be somewhere at the top. And here's the screenshot that I have just captured. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.